Imagine a device that's more than just a smartphone. Enter the Samsung S24 Ultra, a gadget designed to redefine what a phone can do. The S24 Ultra is equipped with groundbreaking AI technology. Ever wanted to write instead of type? The S Pen is your answer. It makes note-taking, sketching, and even writing on screenshots a breeze. Live Translate, you can get real-time interpretation while you're on the phone. Even through messaging, reply back in your own language. It'll get translated on their end, too. And with real-time translation and simplified text outlines, communication becomes effortless and efficient. Note Assist makes a long story short. Simply start writing and format it into a clear, easy-to-review summary later. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra also takes photography to a whole new level. Its camera features include AI processing and a ProVisual engine that work together to bring you images of unparalleled quality. The Space Zoom feature allows you to capture distant subjects with ease, while the AI Zoom lets you zoom in up to 100 times, bringing the world closer to you. And with AI-powered editing options, you can turn your photos into masterpieces. One of the innovative features that sets the S24 Ultra apart is the Circle to Search feature. It allows you to search for anything within a selected area on your screen without having to leave the app you're in. Let you get the photo you wanted, like relocating objects and intelligently filling in the space they left behind. So whether you're an avid gamer, a photography enthusiast, or a multitasking powerhouse, the Samsung S24 Ultra is the game changer you've been waiting for. It's not just a phone, it's a lifestyle upgrade.